Clariti is a brand new AI assistant that's just been released, and it's already making waves. Whether you're new to AI tools or someone looking to find the latest software to improve your productivity, today we're diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know about Clariti, the private AI assistant that's shaking things up. Stick with me until the end because I've got some insights you won't want to miss. Clariti's biggest selling point is its ability to act as a truly private AI assistant. Unlike many AI tools out there that collect user data or have questionable privacy practices, Clariti is built with security and privacy in mind. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone who values their data security. And the best part? You can try it completely free from the first link below, so make sure to check that out after the video. Now let's get into why Clariti is a game changer. First off, its ease of use. When you first log into the platform, you're not bombarded with complicated interfaces or too many options. It's designed to make you feel comfortable right away, even if you're not a tech expert. It takes all of the complexities of AI and makes them super intuitive. Another crucial feature is how Clariti integrates with your existing workflows. Whether you're running a business, managing projects, or just need help staying organized, Clariti can be seamlessly integrated into whatever you're already doing. It works across your devices and syncs your tasks, reminders, and communications in a way that feels natural, not forced. Clariti also stands out for its personalized approach. Unlike other AI assistants that give you one-size-fits-all solutions, Clariti learns from your habits and preferences, tailoring its advice and suggestions over time. This means it actually gets better the more you use it. If you're someone who's all about maximizing your time and efficiency, this is a huge plus. But the real power of Clariti comes from its ability to handle multiple types of tasks. From setting up meetings and responding to emails to helping you brainstorm ideas and even managing some aspects of social media, Clariti's versatility is impressive. It's not just an assistant for managing tasks, it's an assistant that helps you grow and scale in both your personal and professional life. The AI assistant also has a robust automation feature. It can take over repetitive tasks that eat up your time, like scheduling follow-ups or sorting through emails. Over time, it helps you streamline your work process, freeing up your time for more creative and high-priority tasks. Another reason Clariti is worth checking out is its collaboration features. Whether you're working on a team or just need help organizing your personal projects, the AI can assist with communication and coordination. It helps keep everything on track without getting in the way. If you've struggled with keeping teams aligned or organizing your personal projects, you'll appreciate how Clariti brings clarity to your chaos. And lastly, let's talk about cost. Clariti offers its powerful features at a fraction of the price of many competitors. Considering the level of personalization, privacy, and versatility it offers, it's an absolute steal, especially if you take advantage of the free trial available from the link below. So, to recap, Clariti is a private, intuitive, and highly customizable AI assistant that's designed to enhance your productivity without compromising your privacy. It's an excellent tool for anyone looking to make their day-to-day tasks easier and more efficient. If you want to give it a try, you can get started for free using the link in the description. And if you're someone who's always testing new software like I am, I've listed my recommended AI tools in the description too. These are tools I've tried myself, so you can trust that they're top-notch for anyone looking to level up their workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.